The adult human skeleton is made up of many bones, 206 to be precise. There is a network of ligaments, tendons and cartilage that connects all the bones together. Some of the bones have strange names, but others are easy to remember. In this pod, we'll look at 14 bones at various locations in the body.
Let's begin with the upper body and work our way to the lower body. The bone that surrounds our brain is known as the cranium. It's more commonly known as the skull, but you need to remember the technical name. The vertebrae are a set of bones that run from your neck all the way down to your bottom. It's made from lots of different bones, but luckily enough you just need to be able to identify them all together as the vertebrae.
The third bone we need to look at is called the scapula, which is also known as the shoulder blade. The scapula can only be seen from the posterior side of the body, which means when you're looking at the skeleton from the back. The humerus is also connected at the shoulder. This is the bone of your upper arm, which is connected to other bones in the arm at the elbow joint. If you've ever caught your elbow on something, perhaps you've been told you've caught your funny bone. This is a good way of remembering that the bone in your upper arm is called the humerus.
There are two bones within the chest that you need to be familiar with. They play a very important role within the skeletal system. The first bone is known as the sternum, otherwise called your chest bone. Attached to the sternum are the ribs. These surround your inner organs, such as the heart and lungs, and play a vital role in protecting them.
There are 3 bones within the arms. We've already looked at the first, the humerus. The bones in the lower arm are known as the radius and the ulna. The radius bone is connected near your thumb and runs all the way to the elbow. The ulna is the main elbow bone that runs to your hand.
The middle part of the skeletal system includes the pelvis, which is usually known as your hips. The pelvis is where the skeletons of males and females differ slightly. Females have a flatter and wider pelvis in order to allow childbirth. The femur is the longest bone in your body, found in the upper leg. It attaches at the pelvis and knee and supports your thigh muscles. The knee is a complex joint with several bones, tendons and ligaments surrounding it. The technical name for your kneecap is the patella. The lower leg bones include the tibia and the fibula. The tibia is your main shin bone, while the fibula runs down the side of your leg, going into the ankle joint.
The final bone to remember is the talus. This is located in the ankle and sits between the bottom of the tibia bone and the heel bone.